Rwakorirwa muri mbara abanya-Uganda bamwe bakaganyirwamo abandi tubatunga medali. Ahabwe nshongeji orukujunanuzubwa omukugaba medali ariyo nayetorera za district kushobora aha medali eji okwera kugabwa.
The people are supposed to be nominated by others, but not to nominate themselves. For instance, somebody to come and say, I did ABC, so for me I want a form, I want to fill in. In some instances, we have received information where a name is written, okay? But all the spaces on the form, not applicable, N stroke, then you wonder. Because of that form, we are supposed to attach the motivation page. That motivation page is the one which has that information. What did this person do? Where and when? The timeline. When did it happen? Okay?
Hajatamina nagira ngo bwiro bwinji abarukorondwa kutunga medali omubyanga nabo bonka abayambere ihanga kurabera omukurwana bitu ngutukwekiri.
Say that it is an open kind of, and it is not a secret, because I went somewhere and then somebody said, oh, this is good information. We thought that, giving these medals is a secret. It is not. It is for Ugandans to appreciate those who have done for them good things, wherever they are. To appreciate those who have contributed to the development of this nation, because they are there.
Yagira ngo abanyamakuru nibamwe abakora umurimo muhango kandi bashemereye kutoranwa kutunga medali.
Many times the media people complain that now we do for you the work of talking and bringing along the people to appreciate some of this information. But there are those people who have really surpassed. They have done well, they have done a good job. Okay?
Nkeminyetu tubirestaka gikapu cyarengera mu kutunga za medals. Ebireta kugambo. Icyo kibishitamu konka this time round batugambira ngo myete sinye kuba nebero.
Gasha kwa Timose Mushabe.